Welcome guys. In this tutorial, we will see the very basic Java program, that is Hello World in Java. So basically this is a very basic program and its purpose to explain Java syntax to the beginners. Hope you have Java installed in your system along with the any IDE. So here we are using IntelliJ IDEA, but you can use Eclipse as well. So let's start the tutorial and do some hands-on on very first program in Java. So open your IDE. So here, since we are using IntelliJ IDEA, so it is already open. So here we can click on file and after that new and then project. So after that next and here it will ask you for the project name. So here we are entering first Java program example. So it is our project name. So after giving it to the name, we can click on finish, then click on new window. So it will create a project for us. So after creating a project, if you see, so this is our project structure, and after that we click on source and then new, then we create a simple Java class which is named as hello world example. So now class is created with name hello world example. So inside this class we simply write the very basic code. So public static void main string rgs, and simply we can print hello world inside this method hello world. So after writing a simple system.out.println statement, we simply run our code, and after running this code you can clearly observe the output in the console. So here we simply write the hello world in the system.out.println statement, and hello world is got printed in the console. So also if we write something else in the system.out.println inside this main method, then that is also got printed in the console. Welcome to Java world. So here we are also printing welcome to Java world. So this is also got printed in the console. So if we run again this program, then simply you can observe the output in the console. So it is executing our code, and here you can simply observe that hello world, and along with this hello world, welcome to Java world also got printed in the console. So since we are done with the very basic Java program, so here it may be the chance that you have confused with some newly written keyword. So simply it may be the chance that you have question what is public meaning here, what is the meaning of static, what is the meaning of void, and what is this main. So public simply means it is the access modifier, and due to this public, this method is called by JVM from anywhere. So simply we can say that there is no restriction on this method. Since it is a public, so it can be accessed by JVM from anywhere. So next is the static. So static simply means there is no need to create the instance of the class for accessing this method. We can directly access this method. So next is the void. So void simply is the return type. So it simply means void simply means this method does not return anything to the JVM. So next is the main. Main simply means it is the method name. So you, or it may be the chance you also have some confusion that what is string RGS. So string RGS nothing but command line arguments to the JVM. So this is our basic Java program. Hope you able to understand it. If you have any doubt, then you can reach out to us via comment section.